The guy was a passenger in the rear of a small SUV that was involved in an accident on the highway. After the accident, he complained of severe abdominal pain and lower back pain. He went to the ER. They took x-rays, they told him he was banged up, and they released him, saying he'd be okay. The next day, he was worse. The back pain was there, the abdominal pain was there. He started had a pain going into his pelvis and into his upper thighs. So he goes back to the ER. This time, the doctor does a CT scan of the abdomen and of the lower back. The doctor comes in after the scan and tells him that he has a chance fracture. He puts the guy in a back brace and sets him up to see a spinal surgeon the next day. Hang on for 5 seconds and I will tell you what I told him. Hi, I'm Dr. Guy DiMartino, a personal injury attorney. A chance fracture is a fracture of the vertebral body, typically in the upper or middle lumbar spine. It is usually associated with the use of a lap belt. With the force of the impact, the torso flexes forward while the waist is stationary because of the seatbelt. The condition hurts like the dickens, but most of the time there is no spinal cord involvement. One of the main complications that can happen with this type of fracture is bleeding, but this bleeding can be picked up on the CT scan. Most of the clients that I have followed over the years were placed in a rigid back brace and did pretty well. However, if the vertebrae is unstable or dislocated because of the injury, sometimes surgical fusion is required. Well, there you have the lowdown on chance fractures. If you have any questions, you can always give me a call. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.